Hello everybody. Today I will be cooking a simple dal. You have seen here. Okay, this dal is already pressurized. Mhm. And then you can see here a little bit of brinjal onion. Okay, I will fry this one and I'm gonna start cooking right now. Today my wife is not here. She went out for some work, so I need to take care of my baby and kitchen. Here Shine is playing around. Okay. In the meantime, he was watching Cocomelon. Otherwise, he will disturb me a lot. Now, let me start cooking. I already put onion, okay, and then some garlic, okay, and then I'm gonna mix with all the spicy, not that much spicy one. I have to put it for namesake only, okay. And the first we need to fry this onion and garlic properly. Okay, I didn't put ginger, no need to put ginger. And then I mix with all masala like sabut mirchi, then thoda sa jeera, and then thoda sa garam masala. Okay, and then I have to mix it properly. And here I'm trying to pressurize our rice. The pressure cooker is very big, but the quantity is not that much big because we have three persons only here, and me, my wife, and Saya, and we are cooking only small glass of rice. Okay, and here all the pressure cooker are occupied. Oh, we have only two pressure cooker, so that's why we have to pressurize in the big one. Here we are almost done to cook dal here. Okay, it's almost done, I can say. And I'm gonna put like coriander leaves, and then it's then finished. Now I have to start this fry potato, brinjal, and all. Okay. It's very hard to take videos alone while taking care of my babies and when my wife is not here. So you guys have to support me here. I take the new pan here. Okay. Then I have to put some oil to fry those items. Let's wait and see how the taste will be. Here I already put this oil and potato. I'm trying to fry the potato right now. Okay, and then once it is like becoming yellowish, and then I can put the remaining this brinjal and all, and then I can put the remaining spicy little bit. So it's becoming yellowish right now. I don't, and then I'm putting some green chili. Mm, and when we put green chili, the taste is good and the smell is also good. Okay, because of I'm steering this pan aloo and all, my camera is shaking here and there. Okay, that's why. And now I'm putting this brinjal. I like this type of fry. Okay, and this is the video of 24 November 2024. Okay, I'm not taking this video during the Ramadan. Right now we are doing Ramadan right now. Okay, I'm doing voiceover. Okay, because in the background when I took this video, there was Cocomelon music, so I don't want any copyright. Even the video is not that much good, it should be genuine. Okay, so I'm putting some onion right now. Okay, and then here it's coming for cyan again. I have to prepare for cyan once again. Okay, I have to put dal with this ghee, and I don't have to put anything. Little bit salt, a little bit like mirchi powder. That's all. Okay, and cyan like this kind of food. Okay, and here it comes. Okay, the fry items, they are almost like uh, complete. They are almost like cooked. You can see here it becomes yellowish and all the brinjal, okay, is already becoming very small because it is cooked properly. Okay, so here I'm going to finish, and here it comes the part of cyan. Here is a rice with the mixture of this dal and ghee. Okay, and this this is the item we have to give to cyan. And here is the fry. Here is, so this is the video for today, everyone.